good YouTube. I see by the thumbnail, you know, and the title. I'm about to be playing as a hanger, you know, in Newleaf Rp. So let's get into the video.
What's y'all brothers? Y'all some fucking fiends, bro. Y'all niggas couldn't even pick, bro. Y'all couldn't even pick me up, bro.
Yo.
Hell nah. Actually, nah, I'm trolling. Come pick me up, please. Pick me up. Yeah, I'm at the hood.
So from all the cars that come through, bam. AK,
Yeah,
you think it's gonna take us long to get a bigger thing instead of being in the hanger on?
probably. Yeah,
What y'all talking about?
he asked me.
What y'all talking about?
Actually,
He asked me how long it's gonna take until we could become wood hang-arounds.
Depending on what you do for the hood. It tells you in the fucking, so look in emails and look for ranks and whatnot. Look for that.
yeah,
Yeah.
you're in the email, right? I'm not in there.
How are you in the gang, but not in the gang? But how are you a hanger?
Cause nobody sent it to me yet. Look, I'm gonna tweet my name. Follow me again, so I can do it.
Don't even do it yet. Hold on.
Tell me when you're ready. Look, man. Who this is?
Yo, daddy.
What?
Bro, who's you talking to? Step out the car.
Yo, you running?
Oh,
So you
Get out the
do?
car, gang.
I guess we doing that. Like,
Get out the
who
car.
this,
Get
bro?
out the car then.
bitch. Bro, some things, ass boy.
it's who?
Get out the car then.
Watch out.
Get out the car then. Get out the car.
I guess we doing that, bro. Like, I guess.
Bro, the homies at, bro, like.
I don't know. I just called Babyface. He was whispering. So they probably doing some shit.
Niggas on the skid like.
Shit, they better be getting back from my dad, nigga.
Right.
Better be getting back for fucking Dino on the set.
Everybody.
Everybody died.
Nigga, you still out here, aren't you?
Huh?
You still are here, aren't you? What?
I seen what happened.
What you mean?
Bro.
Aunt?
Yeah, everybody. I seen what happened to White Boy. I seen what happened to Mo. I seen what happened to everybody, bro.
What you mean, wife?
White Boy, he died too. You ain't know White Boy died?
No, I didn't know white boy died.
Who the fuck is boy?
White Boy,
Bro,
you
he's just a hanger around. How the fuck white boy
White
died?
Boy's a hanger out. He died.
Damn, that sucks.
Why would I care about that? That nigga, what? Didn't even know him.
Bro, he probably went
I
outside
think
as
he was
much.
only hit like a day or so, honestly.
Yeah, he got here like a day.
Yeah.
He died that same day with Unc. Or no, Unc seen him die. He punched the NPC, then
Aunt
he
seen him
died.
die, gang.
Yeah, ex Unc. Well, Unc dead. I forgot.
We can't.
Yo, so look, he died right here. EMS resident. Then he died over there, and now he dead fully. We
RP the
lost like
homies.
3 homies.
Yeah, it'd be like that. Is you done being a crybaby bitch? No more crying?
Shut
Yeah,
up, ho. Shut up.
you was crying about
Bro, wait. I know you're not talking to me. With something, bro.
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Who the fuck else am I gonna talk to?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3. 3 other people. Or
Yeah,
if
I
you're
ain't
if you're
looking
kind
at
of
you,
retarded,
bro.
if you're kind of retarded, talk to yourself.
Bro, who is you calling retarded, bro? It's really about to get wicked for you.
He said it's about to get wicked.
Come on, bro. What you trying to do?
Come on back. Come on.
Hey, boy, dead. Yo. Oh, look, Mo said that.
What's up?
Lil Mo said Lil Mo is not dead. Wait, who got Lil Mo phone?
I got a little phone. I got it.
You got Lil Mo phone?
I mean, I don't have the actual phone number, gang.
Not like his phone.
Why is he giving his phone away?
Nah. He did it.
What did he say? What did he say to you?
Nah. He posted on what's it called? Look on tweet. He posted something 8 minutes ago. And they go. It's a song he posted with it.
Yeah. How did he post 9 minutes ago if he's dead?
Exactly.
Wait, hold up. What the fuck?
I don't know who got Lil phone, but
I'm a classic man.
alright.
Did he get robbed before he?
Nah, he ain't get. I don't think he got robbed. I think he just died straight up. I ain't seen that happen, but I think he just died.
Somebody must have his account then.
Somebody logged into his shit or something.
I'm lagging like.
But who's finna do that? I'm still here. What's up?
Hey, little nigga, let's jump his ass.
Come on.
Hold on.
Leave. Yeah, you don't know not to do that. I put you on. Man. I didn't really put you on, but.
Hey, there go my
You
phone.
can put nobody on.
And my nigga Nunu got mad hat. I was right beside him when that nigga got head tapped. Picture you a bitch, how you let
No. That wasn't Lil Mo. That was not Lil Mo that posted that. Hey, y'all heard me?
Yeah.
Cause they.
Damn. Boy.
Nah. Listen to the
Now I'm
song.
about to go see what it is.
Listen to the song. Yo.
I had some shit. I'll hop in mine.
Hold on, snap, hold on. I'm tweaking.
Go straight right here, bro.
What it says right here?
Yeah, bro. My name Trey, bro, but you can call me Baby T, you know?
Baby T.
Yeah, bro.
Alright.
Yes.
What you doing around here, baby T?
Shit. Bro, my auntie lives here and shit, bro. I like, yeah. This grocery by the chance, right?
Yeah, the Grove Street.
For sure, bro. For sure. You know what number 28 is, bro?
Number 28. Nah, I don't know where
Yeah,
number
bro.
28. I'm just a resident right now.
Yeah, nah, bro. My aunt, bro, like, she just, like, lost a son called White Boy, bro. Her son just died and shit.
Oh, I feel you.
That's my cousin and shit, bro. So it's like, I just pull up, you know? You guys know him or not?
Yeah, I feel you.
Boy, did you know him?
Yeah, I knew White Boy.
Yeah. My cousin, man. This Baby T, man. Nice to
Baby
meet
T?
you, bro.
White Boy died
Yeah,
right up
man.
there. He died right up on that street, that corner by the stop sign.
Yeah, I saw that shit on the news, man. Your ass is so familiar with the Kelly, man.
How am I familiar, gang?
Like I saw you on White Boy's Instagram live, man.
Bro.
And my nigga Nunu got mad hat. I was right beside him when that nigga got head tapped. Picture you.
Wait, Nunu? Hey, where Nunu at?
What? Nunu dead. What you talking about?
Yo.
He been dead.
He been dead? Wait, was Nunu the op or not?
Nunu dead. What did you mean?
Like, no, like, was he the ops though?
Nah, he was the game.
Yo. The most said he was right there when Nunu got head top.
Yeah, I think you.
And my nigga Nunu got mad hat. I was right beside him when that nigga got head tap. Picture you a bitch, how you let your song get clapped? Bye bye. I'ma find your ass and you gon' be dead strapped. My nigga stay tucked, straight up getting body bag. Kiss that nigga solo, you gon' get this fucking face tat. Who let this nigga Lil Ye grab when I catch him?
No, Lil Ye? He dissing Lil Ye too? Oh, that's
Who
crazy.
is?
Lamar, listen to his whole song. He dissed H.R. Hoover.
Oh.
He talked about Lil Ye, all of them.
I'm trying to play the ball right now. I'm not even like really.
He talked about everybody in H.R. Hoover.
Shit. Oh man, I'm bored as hell.
Yo. Oh my gosh. I'm waiting for somebody to pull up, but I'm trying to talk to people, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Like, I'm trying to get some action or something like that. I'm trying to at least fight somebody, bro. But I can't Huncho was up, bro. I'm telling you, when I touch a gun, Huncho is dead. Yo, that's crazy. Are you trying to run a friendly fade?
Man, come on.
And we alright, bet that.
Leave that,
Let me take my hands. Take my hands like a good girl. That was that. We
Man.
come on. Oh, him again.
Oh
You
yeah.
spam punching?
Oh yeah.
You spam punching? So we spam
What are you
punching?
talking
We
about,
spam
dude?
punching? Nah, bet that.
What are you talking?
Yeah. We spam punching now? Hold on. Throw it again. We. Throw it again. Alright, bet I ain't got that one, but I got. Oh, so it ain't even gonna let me.
You
You ain't gonna take me
sleep.
down. You ain't gonna take me down. I'm telling you that.
It's time to go to sleep. I ain't even gonna lie. Go to bed. Talk to me when
Yo.
you wake up.
Press up on that car. Hey, press up on that car.
I did already.
What that was?
There was nobody.
Didn't bang.
Bro.
They was just looking for a fucking big fish.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not shit again.
Hey, wanna fight again? We. Take my fist. Take these fists like a good girl. We.
Alright, you holding now, nigga. Stop holding.
Who? We. I bet. We. Come on. Hold on, I'm drinking water right now. Hold on. Take my fist like a good girl. Yeah, I'll read this one though. Alright, bro. Hold on, I'm about to wall. I'm about to wall right now. I can't do nothing.
Okay. Back up. Back
Babyface?
Deck.
Baby T? Who's Baby T?
Leave. Deck. Back up a little bit. Deck. God. I be doing him so bad. Boy. I be having him shaking. I be having him shaking, dude. Like, I be doing him the worst way, and he can't fight. Keep fighting me until you win. You need to learn how to fight, dude, if you want to be a part of this.
Come on with it. Come on.
Okay. Leave. Back.
Alright, bro.
Back up a little bit.
Cause you gonna, cause look, now when I get stuck to the wall, watch out. Cause I'm getting stuck to the wall again. That's what I'm talking about. I get stuck to the wall.
Leave.
I get stuck to the wall, bro. We.
Alright.
We.
Oh. Alright. My face hurt. I don't go out.
We. Oh yeah. Yeah, you ain't expect that one though. Lump that boy. Yeah. Got my get back. Hold on. People texting me, bro. Hold on. And one more fight, come on. Fight one more time.
Hold on.
Hold on. PD right there, bro. PD right there. Hold on,
Who getting pulled over? Wait, the homie's getting pulled over. That's the homies.
I'm lagging like crazy. I don't even know. My head glitching like crazy.
Can I have you turn off your engine for me, please?
Hey, come over there.
The homie?
Yeah.
Come on.
Think I forgot?
Alright, but hold on. Come over here. I wanna see you clap.
From what I saw, you still record driving, so I still gotta pull you over for that. Alright, my name is Angel Carter with LAPD. My badge number is 510. Do you have any ID, proof of insurance?
It has to be on my aunt's crib right now, bro. I don't have one.
You don't have any ID, no, nothing. Registration, proof of insurance.
Nah, no, me, bro. I feel take that.
I'm playing.
My bad.
What's your name?
Nah. Hola, this isn't my car, you know. It's my cousins, you know.
What's your name, though?
My name is Trey.
Trey, what?
Alright, you ready, gang, or what? It's scary as hell.
What was that?
I just came from Trey Bar, bro. I just came from the UK.
Hold on, they sliding back again? Hey. Why y'all keep sliding back here, bro?
Huh?
Why you keep sliding back here?
Cause Babyface just called me.
Yeah, you're a resident.
Here.
There's some Fruity Pebbles right here.
Yeah.
Nah, they just stay
Say
here.
that again.
Oh, he just
Bro,
said
you
yes.
is a Fruity Pebble.
Oh, wait, you banging now?
No, I'm a resident.
Ah,
I'm tripping.
We stay
I'm just
here,
saying
but
though, like
we
I'm.
stay here, but it's like, come on now, that's the homies.
Where your big homies at?
I don't know, they out somewhere. I think. Wait, hold on.
Anyone
That's
here?
not them.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
you scared.
yeah.
That's one of them fruity pebbles right there in that car, huh?
Oh,
What?
You a fruity
They
pebble?
talking crazy. They talking about
Nigga, who is you?
You
a fruity pebble or not?
Who it is?
That's 107 gang. This fruit time right here. What y'all on? What's the
Nigga,
deal?
you gonna have to run my fade, nigga.
Nigga, what's the deal?
Run my fade, nigga. Come on your block.
Bet that shit, gang.
We jump.
come on, they finna run the fade.
Hey, can we jump in for you?
If I start losing, yeah. What? I don't want to. What the fuck?
Yeah, hell no.
Yo.
Oh no.
How's it going?
Yeah, man.
Hold on.
Why he jumping?
They jumping in? Oh yeah, we on it.
Shit, no, who this
Hey,
here?
don't jump in. Come here.
Come here.
Come here. Don't jump in.
Shit,
Hold.
no. Shit, no, come here.
Yeah. Come on.
Shit, no, come here.
I'm getting jumped. Help me. I'm getting jumped. Help me. Yeah, slumped him. That's one. And he kicked his dead homie. We on there. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. They all swung. We did this. Man, hold on. Let me take a picture. Show my work. We did this.
That's the boy. They posted.
We did this. Yeah, we did this.
That's the boys. Fuck wrong with him.
Yeah, we did this.
Sleeping. Fuck up and get off the boy.
Get off the block.
Get back in that car. Get up in that car and drive off like a good boy.
I'm trying to help, man.
Oh yeah, I got you. You cool.
I'm trying to help, man. I'm trying to help.
Hey, go get in that car. Go get back in that car.
Hey, you know
We got
them
to spank
niggas
him
is fruity,
again.
gang. You know
Get in
them
that
niggas
car.
fruity. They all got their shirts on.
Yeah. Get back in that car. Get back in that car.
Bro, no wonder y'all fruity.
Yeah, that's a good girl.
Next time.
Yeah.
Come on
Let
now.
me put my shirt back on.
Sell shit. I just flew in this bitch.
You gotta
know?
sell it. You gotta sell it to the people, gang. But you gotta buy it off me. How much money you got?
Shit, like, let me check.
He only got
$500.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm broke, gang.
Yeah, all right. Come back. I'm about to give you my number. Come back to me when you get some little paper.
I don't even know how to make bread, gang.
Do the job. Postman job or the construction job.
Hey, do the construction job. The construction job is the best one.
Where do I go for that?
So look.
GPS.
Hold on,
And then you
let me
should
look
see it.
Oh, I see it. Alright, good luck.
Alright, bet. I can't lie. They Trey Hoover, they got spanked.
I don't think that was who.
That was. Come here. That was them. They got the hat on and everything. I'm gonna post that.
Hold on, roll my face.
Said run his fade. Hold on. You said what?
You know you.
Hold on. Let me post the picture though.
As soon as you're done with that, I'm punching you. As soon as you put your phone away, I'm punching you.
I don't even think I'm supposed to make things. Oh yeah. Hold on. I ain't got to. Now what's up with it? Throw it. We Come on. Throwing again. I throw it again. I keep throwing.
Beef.
Hey, look, I'm finna get to sleep soon because I was throwing.
Okay. I eat those though.
I told you I'm finna go to sleep. Hold on.
Back.
Hold on. Car pushing up. Car pushing up. Goofy.
That's the homie. That's the homies, I think. Yeah, hello? Yo, who is it? It's the homies, bro.
Don't tell me they tell me it's the homie now. Alright. Come on, finish running my fade. Come on. Finish running my fade, Goofy.
Beating the fuck out.
Ugh.
Oh my god.
You're not beating nothing.
Straight whooping you, dude.
Straight whooping who? Straight. We?
Sleep.
What?
And I'm gonna stop on you a couple times. I know your body hurt. Shake it. Oh my god. I know your body hurt. I know your body hurt. I know it, dude. Oh, man.
Oh, you kicking me? Oh, you kicking me now? Come on.
Alright, bet. Yo.
Ah, don't run. Don't run. I want to mess up, you're done. Tell you want to mess up, you're done. Tell you.
What the hell?
You better not. Oh, yeah. Tell you don't mess up. Oh, and you messed up. I'm telling you don't mess up. Tell you don't mess up. I'm trying to tell you. Yo, Brody, I played the game before.
BTS right now. You getting BTA right now, I'm not gonna lie.
We take that hit like a good girl.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, let me stop on your body. Yeah, how you like that? How you like that? How you like that, buddy?
Alright, bro, stop. Chill out.
Yeah, stop doing that. I don't do that. Let me go pick up my shirt. Okay.
Oh, ho.
What is you doing? Stop hitting me, bro. I'm telling you, I got my get back. That's my get back. That's my get back, Goofy. What is you doing? Now I get my get back again.
Bro, I will
Stop
kill
hitting me,
you.
bro. I'm telling you. Stop hitting me, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Goofy, stop it! Stop it, Goofy! Stop it! Alright, Goofy. Alright, Goofy, you won, Goofy.
Say your bitch.
Alright. Hold on. You're not even giving me time. You're not even giving me time, bro.
Say you sorry.
Give me time,
Say you sorry. Stop trying to climb that. Say you sorry.
I'm not saying sorry, bro. You ain't give me time. You kept killing me. I'm not saying that, bro. You ain't even give me time to say sorry. You just kept going. Like, what? Chill, bro.
Now I got my get back. Now
I need my get back again.
Now I fell asleep. Got that nigga gravitating to the wall.
Okay. What's up? I don't run! Slap them! Tell you, don't mess up. Don't mess up. Cause you.
Why you glitch fighting?
Nah, shut up. Cause you did that on purpose. I told you. I tried to tell you. You ain't let me speak. We what? You ain't even let me speak. Get off me. Throw one if you want to. We. Bet that. Throw it again. Alright, bro. Take them hits. What you punching at?
No.
Yeah. Stop that. Stop doing that. Told you. Stop doing that. Goofy, and Goofy. Goofy got knocked out. He tried to knock me out. I got to knock it back. What happened to the homies, bro? $1,000. Hold on, bro. Chill. Chill.
I'm not even trying to hit you. I'm not even trying to hit you. I'm not trying to hit you, gang.
Come on, bro. We stopped that.
About to go. The hell?
You locked my car.
My fault.
Of course you locked my car, bro.
Let's go walk through. Let's go walk through A-Tray. Come on.
He locked my car. Where's my car? Where's my car? This is my car right here. He the ones that got his face in. You ready to do that on that car and let that case breathe. Speaking on the cracker name, but you the only one who made it. Take it. Yeah. Let me see if it's one. Oh my gosh, I got stuck.
Yo,
bro, look at the post. There is a game called Jump Out. BPS just posted it. Look.
Jump Out?
Yes, look what BPS posted. The dude that was kicking one of the BPS members grave.
Oh,
that's Jump Out. They even said it in the video. I knew I wasn't tripping. There's people walking up.
yo,
Who this right here?
nobody. I'm just resident, gang.
Shit, I ain't nobody neither. I'm just looking like I'm trying to like meet people and shit. My name's Jacoby, gang.
Jacoby?
Kobe.
Yeah. Where y'all from?
This your homie right here?
Yeah, this my man's right here. Tell him your name, nigga. Why you acting antisocial?
It's Jamal, bro. Well, what's your name, bro?
This car right here, though.
Shit, I'm low-key finna get the fuck on down because that car right there got 4 niggas in it and they on some, you feel me? I ain't trying to die.
This J-Face. This J-Face
don't
right
go
here.
there. Oh, where y'all from? Y'all bang?
Nah, we residents.
Oh, where y'all from? Where?
We from Fruit Town.
Where your homies go, bro? I seen them on feed. I ain't heard nothing from them yet.
Who the fuck? Who this?
Bro. Wait, ain't this Fruit Town?
Ain't this Fruit Town?
Yeah, this Fruit Town.
For sure, this BPS. We trying to hit the skid on these niggas.
You trying to hit this kid on who?
Bro, who else?
A-Tray? I ain't go. I think it's A-Tray. Pussy. I don't fuck with them niggas.
Oh, put up, back there.
Don't fuck with them niggas. Hey, them two
Bro,
niggas.
somebody just went in the back. Oh, somebody just went in the back.
Go smack
Oh yeah, come on. Yeah, one of them ditch. One of them
I'm about
like
to call
this
them
Dino.
big ones. Hey, Rico. Hey, just go run to the block. Run to the block. Officer rapping.
Officer,
Huh?
you said what?
What happened?
A shooting.
It was a shootout?
Something like that.
That's Tommy? What is yours right here?
He's Austin.
Who's who?
He's Austin. You're running up on me. What?
I'm just. Yeah, you bang this block?
Where you from? Why are you asking me so many questions?
I'm from Fruitown. Where you from?
Shit, it's one of food.
Hey, that's not my vehicle, man.
main clothing now. He just took me back full circle. Wait, you
Yeah,
came?
red. I'll go.
Wait, you in the hood right now?
Yeah, I'm in the hood.
Alright, bet. Back to that.
Hey, it was a shootout in a different block.
Oh shit. Oh.
Wait, we're getting pulled over?
Oh. I don't know. He's on a chase. Oh damn. Oh nah, he was definitely shooting for sure.
Oh, bro.
If he chasing his ass like that, I know he just chasing like that for speeding, nigga. They got shot up here.
Yep, that's where I was. Some dude said he from north side or something like that.
Some shit definitely happened. Oh shit.
You is sleepy.
Oh, bro, I am.
I can't do nothing.
Oh.
Yo.
Boy, got work? You got work right here?
Nah, I don't got work. I wish.
I think I'm about to go to sleep. I'm about to go to sleep. I ain't gonna lie. I'll see y'all boys tomorrow, man.
You better go to sleep, gang. Come on. Don't leave the game like this, bro.
Sleepy ass. Slap me online.
Tell him to come back here. Tell him to come back here.
I have his line. I'm asking for your line. He in the back.
Yo, he really leaving us? Just to go to bed, bro? Sleeps in the dome. Yo.
He's back there?
Nah, he's not back there.
Korean, probably. Just slap me your number real quick.